Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add a background image in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show add background image. Now going to the page design option. Now for click. Then click for background option. Now select from more background. Now you can see open from interface, then click from picture to or textile fill option. Now scroll from mouse, then click for a file option. Now select from a find your picture. Now select from picture, then click for insert option. Now click for OK. That is. Now you can see add page background image in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.